Coming to you live from the mountain. Well, not live, but action shot. That's how it's done.
Yeah.
That is definitely how it's done.
Thank you, nature, for bringing us this rock. We did our fox walk coming up the rock.
We did.
Which means we were being aware of everything and our surroundings, and grateful for the support of the rock from us. Thank you, Earth. Thank you, time. Thank you, space. This is the rock that I climbed up and then fell on, and I am learning that you can't put full force on something so slanted like that. So it's very metaphorical to me, and I'm appreciating the pain that came with that fall and the courage that came with getting back up. Thank you, Nita, for capturing the moment. My fairy princess, queen, warrior of digital wellness. We hug trees.
We also just caress them and say, has a bird landed on you today? Do you need some touch?
Forest bathing. We love it. Watch where you're going.
I get spiked.
Seize the day and watch where you're putting your feet.
Use the day in the rubber grippy shoes.